Students, from today we will start the programming of the Python, and students, we will solve the problems which we have discussed in the class and whose algorithms and flowcharts you have already made in your practice files. Okay, so students, let's start the Python programming. Students, firstly, we will learn how to run your code from your mobiles. Okay, because most of you do not have computers, so we will run the Python code from the mobile only. So for this we can visit this website programisIs.com, right? I will share the link of this page with you through the WhatsApp. Okay, so now students, let's learn how to write the very basic programs with the help of the singular Python. Okay, so our first program is to print your name on the screen by using Python. Students, for this we will write the statement print, and inside the print you will write your name inside the double quotes, right? For example, print Rajiv Sharma. So we can check the code. For this I will copy this code and I will paste this code here. I will paste this code here. I will paste it here. Okay, and we will run this thing. Okay, now you can see the result of this code is Rajiv Sharma here. Okay, now we can test the second thing, that here we will enter the name and then we will show this message on the screen. And the students, to read the inputs from the user, we use the input function, and inside this input function we give a message, and this message is displayed on the screen, and on the basis of this message user will enter the required data. For example, in this case we are showing that enter your name, and user will enter his or her name, and after that it will show a message that welcome to Python learning, and after that it will show the name of that user. Okay, so now let's check this code. I will copy this code from here and I will paste this code here. Okay, now we can run this code. Now it is showing enter your name. So suppose I am entering Rajiv and Sharma. Now I will press enter. It will showing welcome to Python learning Rajiv Sharma. Okay students, so it is very easy, there is no problem. Okay, now we will solve the problems which we have written in the practical file, or whose algorithms and flowcharts you have written in the practical file. So your first problem in the practical file is to read two numbers and print them on the screen. Okay, so for this we will take two variables num1 and num2, and we will input these by using input function. And students, the input function return a string. String is nothing but sequence of characters, but here we want to read a number, so we have to change that string into an integer, and for this we are using here an int function. So this int function will change whatever the input function is giving into an integer. Okay, so we will read two numbers with the help of this code. First number is this, and the similar code is for the second number, but here the message will change. And now we have these two numbers. Now we can apply the operation, the add operation on these two numbers, num1 plus num2, and we can store the result in a variable result. Now we can show the result by using the print. For this we are writing here result obtained is equal to, and after that it will show the value of the result variable. So students, now let's run this code. For this, I will copy this code from here and I will paste it here. I will remove this thing, I will delete this thing, and I will paste this. Then I will press the run. So enter first number, suppose first number is 10. Enter second number, suppose second number is 20. So now the result is 30. Okay students, I think you have understood this program also. Now we can take the third problem. Okay, in the third problem or in the next problem, we want to find out the simple interest, and we have discussed the algorithm and flowchart of this program already, of this problem already. So now we will write the code for it. Okay, so for this we will need to read the principal amount, the rate of interest, and time. And suppose all of these three inputs are of integer type, so we will read these things in the similar manner by which we have read in the previous example. So the first line is p is equal to int input, enter principal amount. The second one is r is equal to int input, enter rate of interest, and similarly we will read the time. And after that, after getting the values of p, r, and t, we will apply the formula of simple interest, which is p into r into t divided by 100, and we will store this thing in the variable si, and after that we will show the result, and here it should be si. Okay, so students, now we can check the code. So for this I will copy and paste. I will copy it from here, I will delete this code. Okay, and now I can press the run button. So enter principal amount, suppose my principal amount is 100, my rate of interest is say 5%, and my time period is 2 years, so result should be 10, and let's check, the result is 10. Okay, so it is very easy. I think students, you have understood how we can write the basic programs, basic formula based programs by using Python. Now these two problems are for yourself. You will try to solve these problems, or you will try to write the codes of these problems by yourself, and you can write the code on your phone, or if you have PC, you can also run the code on your PCs. Okay, so students, just try to solve these two problems. These are very easy. So if you'll find any difficulty, you can send a message to me. I will help you. Okay, students, thank you.